Powered by 3 jet engines and hitting speeds of more than 375 miles per hour, this is Shockwave, the world's fastest jet-powered truck. Capable of generating an incredible 36,000 horsepower, it can cover a quarter of a mile in just 6.5 seconds.
It's an awesome experience. Everybody should get to do it. The acceleration starts off about 4 Gs. Then you get up to about 6 Gs, and then that's maximum. And then when you hit the chutes, we get up to 9 Gs negative. So we go from 6 Gs positive to 9 Gs negative in not much more than a second.
Shockwave is now in its 30th year, and Neil and his son Chris are celebrating with special performances across North America.